Ka People's Democratic Front kelapen pau ba ka ïeng skhem ha kanong rem ba kinum laban pediang ya karel ha ka jela kat ba ki la jing da kimpat dan na ka jing wan rung kertlap ki bar jela bat ru bat 4 yo ka jing dawa en line permit ha po ka jela.
I think that also it's all the I think statement we have made long time back. I think last 6-7 months me and Ba Hamlet we went and met the Chief Minister also, and we said that right now till now we don't want 18 September we met the Chief Minister also for not to introduce good train in our state.
No, see, I'll tell you. As of now, we are not ready for good train or passenger train in the state of Meghalaya, unless and until we have the proper mechanism to check influx into the state of Meghalaya. As of now, ILP also is still pending. Issue is still remaining with the government of India. So unless and until we have a strong mechanism to protect the indigenous people of the state of Meghalaya, we are not allowed either goods train or passenger train. Whenever we have a chance to meet Chief Minister, we always apprise him about this issue. It's high time to apprise the union government. Please tell the union government, please say something about ILP. Whether ILP will be granted or will be rejected. That we want from government of India. But we are so sorry the attitude and the stubbornness of the government of India. As of now, we don't know anything whether ILP will be granted or rejected.
The border
See, border issue, we are glad that this government has taken in a very positive way about the border issue. We are expected out of the 12 areas of differences, 6 areas we hope it will go through. But we hopefully the government of India, because the report has reached the ministry, that Home Ministry will recommend the report submitted by the government of Meghalaya and government of Assam. We'll see whether they are policies or the policies about this issue. The people of state, we want ILP in the state of Meghalaya. Simple. Let the BHP policy is the issue, but if the issue of ILP is granted, then we are happy. No, see, we are at the cabinet. We have discussed so many times about the issue of border. So time will come, you will know, you'll get all the report which you have submitted to government
In appropriate time.
India. We are not hiding anything, but time will come, you have the right. People of the state have the right to do. But just be patient and wait for a time, you will get all the report.
I think that it's you have seen in many time statement it been came out from the party, and from the party point of view, we against the illegal transportation of coal, illegal mining. We are not, a part of that. But I'll tell you, from time to time, from the party also, we only approach CM to tackle this issue, to solve this once and for all. We don't want to see it's coming in the newspaper from time to time. So we are against this illegal. You know that very well.